Welcome to Channel Engine Explorer, and today we're diving into one of the most versatile and stylish RVs on the market, the Navion C. If you've been dreaming about hitting the road with comfort, luxury, and a touch of adventure, this is the RV you need to see. Buckle up, because this ride is going to surprise you with how much it packs into a compact Class C frame. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior design. The Navion C looks sleek and modern, with aerodynamic lines that actually help improve fuel efficiency, something every traveler appreciates on long hauls. Built on the dependable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, it's not just about looks. You're also getting a smooth, reliable driving experience. Under the hood, there's a turbo diesel engine that delivers plenty of power for highway cruising while still staying efficient enough for extended road trips. Step inside, and this is where the Navion C really shines. The interior feels open, bright, and surprisingly spacious for a Class C RV. You're greeted with premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and a modern design that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. The living area is cleverly designed with a convertible dinette and a cozy sofa, so you can relax, eat, or entertain friends with ease. One of the standout features is the kitchen. Winnebago clearly knows that good meals are part of great adventures. You get a full-size refrigerator, a convection microwave, a deep stainless steel sink, and a 2-burner stove, all tucked into a space-efficient galley. There's plenty of storage for cookware and dry goods, making it easy to go fully off-grid for a few days without worrying about running out of supplies. The bathroom is compact but very functional, featuring a shower, sink, and toilet with enough space to move around comfortably. This might not sound like much until you realize how many RVs in this size class cut corners here. The Navion C makes sure you don't feel cramped, even when freshening up. Then there's the bedroom, the heart of any RV. The Navion C offers a comfortable corner bed or, depending on the floor plan, a Murphy bed that folds down to save space during the day. Add in blackout shades and high-quality mattresses, and you're guaranteed a good night's sleep whether you're parked at a campsite or boondocking in the wild. Tech lovers will appreciate the onboard Wi-Fi, multiple USB charging ports, and a fully integrated touchscreen control panel that lets you manage lighting, temperature, and even check tank levels with just a tap. Overall, the Navion C RV strikes a perfect balance between luxury and practicality. It's easy to drive, packed with smart features, and ready to take you wherever your next adventure leads. Whether you're a weekend traveler or a full-time RVer, this rig has what it takes to make every journey unforgettable.